Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you all today? Hope you all are happy and healthy. I am your Neha ma'am. Do you remember what did we learn in our previous session? Yes, we revised alphabet A to Z. So, in our today's session, we will be revising all the alphabet again. This is capital A. This is small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. This is capital E. This is small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Now it's activity time. We will do an interesting activity for the same. In this activity, I will show you flashcards of alphabet A to Z and flashcards of their related pictures. You have to observe the picture carefully and match it with appropriate alphabet. Are you all excited to do activity? Yes? Let's get started. Here we have flashcards of alphabet A, B, C, D and their related pictures. First alphabet is A. A for butterfly? No. A for arrow. So, we will match alphabet A with picture of arrow. Next alphabet is B. B for butterfly. So, we will match alphabet B with butterfly. Next alphabet is C. C for doll? No. C for clock. So, we will match alphabet C with clock. Next alphabet is D. D for doll. So, we will match D with doll. We have alphabet E, F, G, H and their related pictures. First alphabet is E. E for fruits? No. E for 8. So we will match alphabet E with picture of 8. Next alphabet is F. F for fruits. So we will match it with fruits. Next alphabet is G. G for hand? No. G for goat. So we will match it with goat. H for hand. So we will match it with hand. We have alphabet I, J, K, L and their related pictures. First alphabet is I. I for jeep? No. I for igloo. So we will match it with igloo. Next alphabet is J. J for jeep. So we will match it with jeep. Next alphabet is K. K for lotus? No. K for king. So we will match it with king. Next alphabet is L. L for lotus. So we will match it with lotus. We have alphabet M, N, O, P and their related pictures. First alphabet is M. M for napkin? No. M for monkey. So we will match it with monkey. Next alphabet is N. N for napkin. So we will match it with napkin. Next alphabet is O. O for plant? No. O for octopus. So we will match it with octopus. Next alphabet is P. P for plant. So we will match it with plant. Now we have alphabet Q, R, S, T and their related pictures. Here first alphabet is Q. Q for rose? No. Q for quiet. So we will match it with picture of quiet. Next alphabet is R. R for rose. So we will match it with rose. Next alphabet is S. S for scooter. So we will match it with scooter. Next alphabet is T. T for table. So we will match it with table. Here we have U, V, W, X and their related pictures. First alphabet is U. U for vegetables? No. U for utensils. So we will match it with utensils. V for vegetables. So we will match it with vegetables. Next alphabet is W. W for window. So we will match it with window. Next alphabet is X. X for xylophone. So we will match it with xylophone. Now we have Y, Z. Y for yo-yo. So we will match it with yo-yo. Next alphabet is Z. Z for zigzag. So we will match it with zigzag. Hope you all have enjoyed this activity and revised alphabet through it. Now I will give you the solution of the practice worksheets. This is the solution of your first worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to find the hidden picture by joining the dots from A to Z. Look kids, this is a dinosaur. I have colored this picture with green color. Hope you all have done this worksheet nicely. This is the solution of your second worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to find alphabet A to Z and help the bee to reach the hive. Look kids, here I have found alphabet A to Z and help the bee to reach its hive. I hope you all have done this worksheet correctly. Stay happy, stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye.